Victoria. There she goes. Get Easter eggs. Come on, Victoria.
See, everybody, get him. Go. Look. Get him. Pick him up.
Hurry up.
Good job. Pick him up, Bubby. Pick him up. Look.
You can get the yellow ones too, Victoria. There you go. Here. Victoria, look over here. Over that way.
Look,
Victoria, that way.
Come here.
There you go.
There's one out here. Put him in here. Put him in here. Look, pick it up. Pick it up and put it in here.
There's some more. Let's see. There's a sucker right here on the ground. Grab that. Right here, Victoria. Victoria. Maybe not. Look, Victoria, over there.
Put him in here. That's it, baby.
Let me see your basket. What you got? Ooh, look at there. She got a pretty good amount. Did you have fun?